Hello children. So here we are on the third type of question for cylinders. That is, we are on question number 3. I have taken the first part here. Now in this question what has been given to us is C. C means the circumference of the base. That means in the case of a cylinder, the base is a circle, we know. The circumference of this circle has been given to you, that is 110 centimeters. And the height of the cylinder is given to you 20 centimeters. Now the question is again the same. You have to find two things here. First is the volume and the second is the TSA. Okay? You have to find the volume and the second one is TSA. Now children, we take the volume here first. We just find the volume here. Now for the volume, the area, the formula is pi r square h. The question which is given to you is the circumference and the height. So what you need to do in the question is you need to find the radius first. So how can you find the radius? So radius you can find with the help of the circumference. As we know that the formula for circumference is 2 into pi into r. Okay? Area is pi r square for a circle and the circumference is 2 pi r. Now circumference given to you is 110 equals to 2 into, in place of pi you can write 22 by 7. The radius is r, which you don't know, which you have to find actually. Now 110, we can take 7 here in multiplication. And in division, what will you get is 2 into 22. That is equals to r. Now, 11 twos is 22. 11 tens is 110. 2 ones is 2 and 2 fives is 10. So, in the numerator, I have 5, I have 7. 5 sevens is 35 and in the denominator, I have 2. That is, the radius becomes 35 upon 2 centimeters. This is the radius of the cylinder. Now once you find the radius, you can easily find the volume and the total surface area of the cylinder by simply using the formula. Okay, so this is how you will first find the radius, by using the circumference of the circle. Okay, now we proceed towards the volume of the cylinder. So volume of cylinder, okay, we can write here radius is equals to 35 upon 2 centimeters. Okay, this is the value which we have found by the help of the circumference. Now volume pi 22 by 7, radius is 35 upon 2, since it is square, so 35 upon 2 square, and the height is 20. Okay. Now I will solve it. 7 ones are, 7 fives are, 2 ones are, 2 elevens are, 2 ones are and 2 tens are. So what do you get here in the numerator? 11 into 5 into 35 into 10. And nothing is there, 1 is there in the denominator, so there is no need to write 1 here. So what do I get is 11 into 5, 55 into 35 into 10. So when you multiply these numbers, you will get the answer as 19250. Okay? And since we have found the volume, so the unit becomes centimeter cube. This is the volume of the cylinder. I hope the concept is clear to all of you children. Okay? So this is how you will find the volume. The only logic behind this question is to find the radius. And how will you find the radius? By using the circumference. Using the formula of circumference 2 pi r, you got the radius as 35 by 2, and simply you have just substituted the value of radius and the height in the formula and just found the volume of the cylinder. Okay. Now the next thing you have to find the question is the total surface area of the cylinder. Okay. Total surface area, the formula for total surface area is 2 pi r plus h. Okay, 2 pi r plus h. Now, 2 in place of pi, 22 by 7, radius is 35 upon 2. Radius is again 35 upon 2 and plus the height is 20. Okay, so 7 ones are 7 fives are 2 ones are and 2 ones are. So 22 into 5. And here you can substitute, you can find the LCM. LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. It becomes 35 plus, in one's table 2 comes 2 times, so 2 into 22 becomes 40. Okay, so this becomes 22 into 5 is 110 into 35 plus 40 is 75 upon 2. 2 ones are 2, 55 are 55 into 75. So when you multiply these two numbers, the answer which you get is 4125. 4125 centimeter square. Why square? Since you have found the area of this total surface area of the cylinder. Okay? I hope the concept is clear to all of you. Thank you, children.